I mean, I don't say alive. I mean, say dunce alive. I want father. Oh, but
Where was
Hey,
it?
man, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, baddest channel. I mean, alone in all the dog.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know we're there with a hot one, my people. Before me jump in it, me I beg you to just like, share, subscribe on the video here. And you don't know what to thank Father God. Bless up Father God. We have life, my people. Alright, that's I go take way into the vlog, my people. And you don't see Wagwan. Valiant, hot man at the moment right now. And basically Valiant just answered because there's this thing going around and people, I saw it on Rise TV, so when you get a chance when you can go over Rise TV channel and check it out. Like Brysco them a say Valiant can't say the word dunce again, and like a threat go out for Valiant from known gunman for say like him not for use the word dunce in him song them again and them thing there. You understand? No, me no one of them will push the narrative about dunce or whatever. But me believe in a free speech. You understand? And if Valiant says something, anything what him feel like him want to say, who is Brysco or some man for come say what them want to say? So Valiant basically answered all of that, my people, in a him answered about half an hour ago. You understand? I'm gonna make you see exactly what the GF said. The man, him this Brysco wicked. You understand? Him never called the name, of course, but if anybody were there in the thing, know what go on. Him this Brysco wicked. He must say you only need to go find some hit songs. You understand? And come off of my thing. But anyway, my people, I'm gonna make you check it out and we're gonna come back, go and vibe a little bit, my people.
I mean, I don't say alive. I mean, say dunce alive. I want father. Oh, but I mean, you know, fire rifle charge, you quick, we shot, boy, what a easy target. Plug out the sun and darkness. Yo, so Chappy, the dunce video, it done edit up and thing already, though. Oh, that's all Lagos on other hits, don't it? Alright. Yo, Biggie. Touch the road tonight. I got like just one road beside you.
Yeah, them now fire no rifle. You understand? That the artist I say basically. You see me? My show you say, you know, that's why I see him turn to the video man right away and say, yo, the music video they don't work on. Alright, so we can just put that aside and work on some more hits, more this for Brysco. You understand? The tell you say you would focus on your career. And big man thing, that is something I'm gonna take the time frame from now. And tell all Brysco to focus on your career, my G. You see what I say? Nobody tries to throw shade to get a highlight off a Valiant or anything like that. Work, focus on your craft, my G. You understand? And your craft alone I go show for you. You understand? But anyway, people, that is how I think about it. Wanna tell me what wanna think about that this year. Wanna feel like say Brysco for hold him look up place or what my people. But anyway, the man them gonna check the ancestors them in the people. Make we check it out.
Aquatic things that shall be of past. Yes. And I think Valiant is a great and wonderful guy.
Conspicuously.
He articulates his words in some formal way that the Jamaicans and the world shall see.
We are going to check the ancestors.
Yes,
Yo. Call out to the ancestors. Woo! Call out to the ancestors. Woo!
Alright, but people wanna hear that. But the most can hear the ancestors them in the background. She said can circle the ancestors them. You understand? But anyway, my people, alright, so we have the news for you today. You understand? In the early morning here, don't know anything else at drop out, we're gonna drop it for you, my people. But my people, before me jump off, I want to check out because the IRFM Music Awards was the bomb and Valiant won Best Male Entertainer for the year. You understand? You know, so that is the category, that is the prize when it comes to the IRFM Music Awards. A lot of people, because I dropped a video on it yesterday, a lot of persons are giving mixed reaction. Them feel like say you know, through Valiant and boss basically a year yet, them not feel like him should already get it. You understand? But me think otherwise. Just for make you know, me think otherwise. Only can make me know what only think, my people. So what I gonna do is I gonna just drop a little snippet of the nominations and also of the winner of the different category. I only can check it out. Let me know what I think. Big up on yourself. Jamaican chat. I am out, my people.
Nominees for Male DJ of the Year are Massacre.
See what's happening here? Male DJ of the Year. Oh, what do you think, Queen?
Valiant.
What do you think, Queen?
Valiant.
Speed of Jesus. Right, tease of a baby man. Valiant! Male DJ of the Year.
You know, fire rifle charge, you quick, we shot, boy, what a easy target. Plug out the sun and darkness. Yo, so Chappy, they done this video. It done edit up and thing already, though. Oh, that's a Lagos one. Other hits, don't it? Alright. Yo, Biggie. Touch the road tonight. I got like she want roll beside me, right?